So, hi guys, welcome back to Code Explorer. Here I am Pavitra Banerjee with you, and you are watching this video as a part of our front-end development series. And inside of this series, we have already discussed what is HTML, what is front-end, and we have already installed our VS Code IDE inside our system, and then we have learned how to write our first code and how to run the HTML code uh, in our browser using VS Code. Okay, and then we have learned what the tags of HTML, and then we have also learned that what are listings of HTML. Okay, so today we will discuss about what are nested listings of HTML. So you have already shown sometimes that when you are doing a listing, you have to be there, that you have to be like that. You have to use the order listings and the unordered listings together. It is why we have to use the nested listing concept. Okay, this is too easy when if you have now how to use the order listings, then you can definitely uh, learn how to use the nested listings. Okay, so let's start the video. So doing so, I will just simply go to my HTML folder which I have created for this video series. Then I will open it with code. uh, okay, so I want to just simply remove this for now because for some technical issues, when it was my second time so I am recording this video, because my screen recording was making some problems. This is why I am re-recording it. So I will just simply create an tutorial 4.html folder again, and then I will use the shift plus 1, and I will use the emit to bring the basic boilerplate of the HTML page. Then I will simply rename my HTML file, which is tutorial 4, then nested listing. Okay, so for now, what is basically nested? What is listing basically? As you know that when we have to list something, that is listings using HTML. Okay, so when we have to use the ordered listings and unordered listings both inside of one listing, at that time we will use the concept of nested listings. It is very easy, believe me guys. So I want to show you the result of the HTML file, yeah, of the homework that I have given to you. This, no, this was not, this was what I have done, what I have done for you. This was your homework. Okay, this was your homework. So here I will share this Rapid ID here. Here I have written the code here also. So I will share this link with you guys. You can definitely check the code, and I think you have already done it, but I will also share my code also. Okay, so now let's move to the video and start our today's class. Okay, so for doing that, I want to create an okay, first let me bring this in one page. Now I will just simply want to stop the code, and here I want to create and web development. Okay, web development, and then I will hit the go live button. Okay, as you can see that web development is inside my code, and I want to just simply collapse this because these are not working for me today for now basically. Okay, so then we have to create an listing. So here I want to create the programming language listing also again, and we will see how we can list nested. Okay, so we have to use, I want to use an order listings first. Inside of this we have to create three li tags basically. One is for front end, then we have another li tag for backend. Okay, and another one I will create for database. Okay, so how we can nest this? So as you know that this, when we use any close tag which have an range, that here we are telling to the browser that this is our front end here starting here, this list item is, and it ends here. So here we have to create a list item, a listing inside of this li tag. So simply I will use the basically I want to create an another listings here first. So I will use the ul tag and then I have to use the list items. Okay, so here we have html first, uh, then we have css, and then we have javascript. Okay, you can see this here. And here I want that inside of the css we want to use the libraries of css. You want to say that. Okay, so what we will do, we will simply do that, we will use this, we will nest another item, another list inside of this list item. Okay, we have to list this. So simply I want to list an orderly, so I will use it, and then I will use list items. So we have bootstrap as css library, and then we have another which is very popular, that is tailwind css. Tailwind css is very powerful tool. We will learn about this inside of this tutorial series. Okay, then inside of javascript we have also some libraries for frontend, so I want to add these also. So what will we do, we will simply do the same we have already done. So I will simply hit enter, and then I want to create an order listings here. So inside of this order listings, then I want to have to add the list items, which will be basically first React. Let's suppose is a JavaScript library maintained and developed by Meta, former Facebook. Then we have Angular. This is an JavaScript framework developed and maintained by Google. And as you know, I think that basically our YouTube and the maximum web pages of Google's are now using the production build of Angular. Okay, and some maximum websites are using the production build of React, basically because React is very popular and very lightweight too. So we will discuss about React Angular inside of this tutorial series when we will learn about front ends. So and we have started this as a beginner friendly approach, and then we will move to the advanced level, and then we will start we will develop ourselves as a job ready developer. Okay, so now I want to create another list items which will be for basically, let's suppose, Next.js. Next.js is another JavaScript library, a very popular JavaScript library. Okay, so now what I want to do, that I want to change the type of these ordered listings. So I have to use the simply type attribute here, and I want to give it a small Roman I. And here I want to also give same, then I will also select this small I. As you can see that our list has been changed. So the same thing we will do inside of our backend same. So what will you do, inside of this li tag we have to create another list. We have to create that. So then we have to also, that how we can create another list here. So we have to use the li tag to insert any items inside the list. So for now we have to use let's suppose Python. Python is a very powerful backend language. Then we have, let's suppose, Java. Let's suppose we have JavaScript also, and then let's suppose we have C++. For now it's our last backend language for now. Okay, so and inside of this we want to use inside the libraries of this language. So for Python we have basically NumPy, pandas, scikit-learn, TensorFlow, various types of libraries we have. So I will want to insert them. So what will I do? I will simply list another list inside of this list item. So, and I want to create an order list here. So inside of this order list, then I have to create a list item which will be for basically, let's suppose numpy. Okay, numpy. Then we have another list item we have to add. Then it will be for, let's suppose, pandas. Okay. Then list item. Then let's suppose TensorFlow. Okay, this is TensorFlow. So for JavaScript, basically inside of the as we have already used the React, Angular, Next, these are JavaScript front-end frameworks and libraries. And for JavaScript also runs in the server side, and there we have something like Node.js, Express.js. We can use these libraries for servers as a backend language. So I want to insert these also. So for do that, I want to create another order list here, and then I will have to use the li tag again, and we have to write the node, and then I want to add li tag used again to insert express. Okay, you can see. And what I want to do, I want to change this attribute type of this again, and I want to choose the same we have done. So as you can see that it is now looking great for now. And now here we have basically database again. Okay, so what types of database we have? Basically we have SQL database, NoSQL database, MySQL database, PostgreSQL database. There are various types of database, and you have to manage your database, you can use the Google Firefox. Okay, so that's maybe for your choice, but for now I want to show you that how you can nested listings in HTML. So I want to show this again. So here I want to create an unordered listing. So here we have to list it, and I want to write MySQL here, and I want to add another list item here for that is NoSQL. As you can see that our listing has been completed now. Okay, and this is known as the nested listings. It is why, because we have used and we have inserted ordered listings, unordered listings, and inside of any list item we have or inserted any other lists. So this is basically known as nested listings. So hope you guys have understood the video, and you have to use these types of nested listings in your daily life when you will be work as a web developer, front-end developer. So this is very important for you guys. So I think you have understood that what is basically nested listings. Nested listings will be very easy for you if you have learned about listings yet earlier. So please do check in the description box, and inside of our channel you will definitely get the playlist of this. There you can access this playlist, and there you will get all the videos, and we will continue this playlist as a beginner friendly approach, and then we will move to the advanced level, and we will make you a job ready person. Okay, so this is for today. Hope you guys have understood, and till then keep watching our channel. And if you are and loved this video, then please like the video and hit the bell icon, and please subscribe our channel if you are a new one. It is why, because you will never miss any update from us. So this is for today. Till then, keep watching our channel, and happy coding.